So chapter 7 demo 1 I created. I'm going to add a new item. Is okay. And which is also I'm going to and is a C++ file. And it was called source. Let's rename it to uh, chapter 7. Is okay. Mm. Chapter 7 uh, demo 1 is okay. Oh, I'm here right now. I add it, and I need to quickly create my uh, golden 7 line. Wait for me right now. Include IO stream. All right. Sorry. Sorry. Mm. All right. So I'm here right now. Let me explain this, and let me explain to you what we're going to do for uh, to do this program and how we set variable. Are you there right now, gentlemen, ladies? Okay, so for this, we say we really need a sales, right? A sales. Well, the grocery store is going to do the sales. And we also need to accumulate to do total sales. So actually here, you need to have two variables. I'm going to call double sell. And I'm going to call double total sales. It's okay? But the total cell I'm going to accumulate to 0. I'm going to set to 0. Whenever you are going to do total, you're doing accumulation, that has to be first initialized to 0. So do you understand why I need to have two variables right now? Okay, because I'm going to display cell each time. Is that right? So after I do this, and I do this, okay, CL, that's my primary read, okay, enter your cell, enter, just put cell amount, cells, cells amount, okay, we're going to do like that, and backslash n, all right, and C in cell, okay, so this is my primary read. So I'm just going to ask you, give me a cells, and you enter a cells. Okay, so I'm going to, before loop, I'm going to just say the cells is the cell amount, the amount of cells, sorry, and I am going to put cells. Okay, so gentlemen, let me show you no loop, no loop. So I build it. All right. Okay, I start without debugging. Is that right? All right. So let me put the enter cell $100. The amount of cell is 100. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But I need loop. Is that right? I want loop. So I want a loop and also want to accumulate it. So that's why I have two variables. Now that's my first primary. Is that right? Immediately, I'm just going to copy it. It's okay. I'm just going to copy these two lines. It's okay. Control C. Immediately after these two lines, I'm going to type while and tap over. Oh, sorry. Tap over, honey. Tap over. So the structure will be given to you right now. All right. Then these two lines you're going to copy right here. It's called update read. This is primary and update read. And your loop body is this line. Control X is here. Alright, so that's your loop body. Every single one of them, you are going to say how much yourself. Not only that, you're going to accumulate. You're going to say total sales. Okay, so it's right here. It was 0, right? And equal total sales and plus sell. Alright, you want to do like that. But there's a better way to write it. There's an easy way and more professional way to write it, because this way you're going to call total sale twice. Better way is total sales plus equal sell. Alright, so this way I only go to your RAM to call total sale once. Alright, so I do two things. First, I display each cell, the amount of each cells. Okay? Then when I finish my while loop, and I am going to display the total cell. I'm going to say amount of the total cell. Alright, the total cell. Then here I'm going to put total cell. You understand? And I have typo. Alright, do you understand that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay? Now we need to take care of the here while true. If you don't fix that, the program will not stop, will continually. So tell me, how do you make this program stop? How do you make this program stop? It's whenever your cell is what? The program will stop.
-1.
Good job. So smart. Yes. Alright? So that's why sentinel. What's that? -1 is so important. We call that sentinel. It's a guard guy. It will tell you stop. So you say when cell not equal is exclamation equal, not equal -1. Then we get into it right now. Alright, so with this, we create something called while loop, because we need to have first read. Then that's a loop body and update read. And probably we'll do something of this is summary. We summary like total cell. So let me show you right now. So I built my program. Alright, then I build it and I start without debugging. So first, $100. Okay, I am just going to $50. It's not going to stop. Do you understand? It's continue doing. Another $100. How much is that right now? $250. Is that right? And let me put. So how do I stop this program? Once I stop, it show me my total sale. How do I stop this program? What number I need to enter? Can anybody let me know?
-1.
Good job. Perfect. These are good students. -1 will let me stop. And immediately I put -1 out of loop, and I'll provide a summary. The amount of total sale is $250. This is point of sale. When you go to your any store, didn't they put on a piece of paper apple $2.50, milk $6? Milk. I start to buy milk like $1.15. Right now it's $6. Crazy. So anyway, at the end, when you leave don't they give you a total amount? Is that right? Do you understand this program? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Now I am